We're going to walk around and see. I'll just come up here for a quick check my bridge. Yeah, I wanted to go around the front and see around the front. But it's early time still. 4. See? Aston Villa. We're going now. Try to get to the front and walk around and come on. I think there's a road up there. We can go around. We're around Aston side. I think there's the next side up here. In the Aston Villa. The next entrance. Forgot how to find it. I think I'll go around there. Otherwise I'm down the road, it's hectic. Aston Villa here. I need to go across there. Welcome to Villa Park. I never actually come up these steps, you know. I'm not too much of a football fan. I go up them steps and see what's up there. Aston Villa ground. Got toilet disabled. No. I don't know what's up here. Oh. A parking lot ticket office. See what's up that stuff. I can go up there and go down. It's blocked off. Big ass compound. Aston Villa for you. Look at that big chart. Look at the view. Nice view up here, you know. This is one of the entrance. Aston Villa. I can see they got loads of steps, loads of people been coming in. You can see the view over Birmingham, Aston. But yeah, let me walk around for a bit. I'll come down and come check my bridge and get my hair cut. One, and then put my hat on. And I'm good. I'm not trying to impress anyone. Just trying to be myself. So if somebody don't like my haircut, that's your problem, not mine. Aston Villa, yeah, this is the side I wanted to come. You see around there, road is, look, it's after 4 now. It's going to 5. Time flies still, but it's England win. I drive around here, but I never actually walk around here before. Ticket office. The football sign up there. Show you. Zoom it now. Okay. Yeah, center. Yes, wind blowing. Hope you can hear good on my mic. But yes, people. And somebody did request I do run Aston Villa. So, we got a park over there. I need to go across the road and look over. Kids playground over there. So there's Aston. And we got a shelter for if you're coming there. In case a lot of crowds standing right here, they won't be getting wet. Build right across the road. Alright, they got a basketball court down here. I didn't know. I think kids playground with basketball. Yeah, kids. What more adult? But look on that reach. Come on, ain't no damn kids gonna be reaching up there. Yeah, big kids going to adult. But yeah. La Park. That's the French or Spanish, La Park. The park. I know it means the park. You know what long. We got this over here as well. Villa Park or La Park. I don't know. Why the fuck? You see, I did see La Park, man. It's Villa. I seen the LA Park since 1897. Villa Park, 1897. Aston Villa football ground. Got football and whatever. Because I seen basketball, I'm like, why the fuck they got basketball, they ain't got football? Yeah? It's football town. I think I need to put my sat nav to get me back out of this curve up road. But I know this, if you go right here, you should go down there to get out or something like that. Let's see what's around there. I seen a bus down on that road, so I swear that's the main road. I'll go like that, boop, boop. So it's like a square. Wally Park. People upgrade the yard on there. Yeah, upgrade the house, fix the house up. Yeah. renovation. The outside renovating the place. The road out there busy. Butcher shop. I'm up by the petrol station. So we're gonna walk down. I need a juice. But yeah, we go check him. Tough. If you see this, just know so I can't check you right here. No, I'm busy. Aston Villa, Whitney Islamic Center. I thought it would have been cold. I know it wasn't that cold, you know, but yesterday it was windy and I wear my thick coat today. I got my coat open still, I'm hot. But it ain't that cold like yesterday. I'm gonna go to my car. I'm gonna walk down there so some shop. Then I'm gonna go to my car, go to the barber shop. My phone must have come. I think I'll leave my phone in the car. Oh shit, navigate to Aston. Yeah, place look nice when it light up at night. It's not even night, it's afternoon. Tesco on there, and what else on there? Note sender. Can send a note. Yeah, ain't much around here to see. There's a football ground. Walk across this crossing. Up there, dead road long up. I think I need to drive up there as well. I think I need to drive up there. No, Birchfield. I think I need to drive up that side. I see my Virgin. Jamaican shop supposed to be around us, so I don't know. Subway right here. Advertising for none of them. And Whitton Arms. So if you know Whitton Arms, you're good. Chicken and Mr. Dunn over that side. Whitton Arms still here. Yeah, the Whitton Arms are still here. I think I'm going to turn up. I think I should. That's need to wash my car. Parking. Aston. Yes. Garage. Put garage on there, so body shop. So if you want your body shop, fix your car on the Aston side. Yes. Walk around the neighborhood of Aston. And I already see Aston Villa, so that is it, people. Yeah. I know there's more to walk around Aston, but I think the football is the football ground, the most memorable location. And there is over there Aston Villa football ground. So we start to walk all the way around and come back around. I think over here must be some school playground. Yeah, it must be. Football ground. Walk up, walk down, walk around. You can look down the road, see Tesco down there. Yeah. So go across, see football ground, parking lot. Yeah.